Piece of crap drone. Runs off a Wi-Fi link, but the stupid Wi-Fi link never stays connected. So you get it flying and then it loses connection, so then it sits there and flies until the battery goes dead. Bunch of junk. 350 bucks worth of Parrot crap. So, word to the wise, don't ever buy a Parrot drone because they're junk. Buy one that has a radio controlled.
So we decided to buy this drone and it's crap. It doesn't work and I flew it really high because I had finally gotten it connected after a billion tries. And now it's stuck in the air.
Looks cool.
You can't do anything like that.
Looks cool when it works. When it actually stays connected, it seems fun. You can fly it around.
Yeah, it goes everywhere, but
Cool controls, but you can never stay connected. So we're just gonna sit here and watch it, the battery die, because we're not connected. Stupid.